One of the most common questions we get is, how much did that cost? So today I'm going to talk to you about our overall price, specifically when you add a finishing service like powder coating. So I have two parts here that are the identical base material. These are both 80 thou thick 5052 aluminum. The first one over here has been cut, deburred, and then bent. In a quantity of one, if you just need a single one, this would be about 20 bucks. If you needed a quantity of 10, the price goes down to about $12 each. And then in a quantity of 100, this would be about $8 each. So increase the quantity, price goes down. The same is true for our powder coating service. So we offer, I think, 5 or 6 different powder coating colors right now, with more coming on the way. This is wrinkled black, which is probably my favorite. It hides everything, especially if you're kind of like not a good designer like myself. This particular part, if you only needed a quantity of one, $27. In a quantity of 10, the price drops to about $17 each. And then in a quantity of 100, it goes down to $10 each. So 20 versus 27 in a quantity of one, and then $8 versus $10 each in a quantity of 100. So it makes a lot of sense to do your prototypes, make iterations, figure out what you want, and then when you're ready to do that production run, there's a lot of savings to be had. So to get a price on your part, upload your DXF or step file to SendCutSend.com.